The good news is that for most people, getting a flat tyre is a thing of the past. Tyre technology is always improving, road surfaces are getting better, and most people are never going to experience the, well, deflating feeling of getting a puncture while you're on a trip. But what if I told you that a super modern car, like the all-electric Hyundai Kona, or any of Hyundai's eco range, you may never have to change a flat tyre again, even if you get a puncture. Sounds like magic, right? Here, let me show you. That minor miracle is thanks to Hyundai's Tyre Mobility Kit, an ingenious bit of tech that allows you to fix minor punctures on the fly, allowing you to get yourself to a Hyundai dealership or a tyre shop for a proper repair or replacement. You can think of the Tyre Mobility Kit as an extra tough band-aid that fixes minor punctures from inside and gets you back on the road in no time flat. The Tyre Mobility Kit consists of a sealant bottle, filling hose, a compressor to pump sealant and air into the tyre, and a cable that connects the compressor to the car's power outlet. Of course, you may not need to reach for the kit at all. Not only are the tyres that have been fitted to the Hyundai Kona Electric eco-responsible and designed to maximise your driving range, but they're also engineered to be as durable as possible. Still, it's nice to know that the Tyre Mobility Kit is there just in case you need it. If you're driving and the tyre pressure warning lights up, or you feel or hear the car behaving differently, pull over somewhere safe, turn your hazard lights on and inspect the tyre. If the puncture is bigger than 1/4 inch or 6 millimeters in diameter, you're best to call roadside assistance, which, thanks to Hyundai iCare, is complimentary for your first 12 months of ownership. The same goes if you get a puncture in your sidewall here. Those punctures can't be fixed, and again, your best bet is to call roadside assistance. But most punctures are smaller, like when you drive over something sharp like a nail that gets lodged into the tyre. That means that most times you can easily take care of things yourself and get back on the road. If you spot an object lodged in your tyre, don't take it out. Instead, grab the Tyre Mobility Kit from the boot and let it work its magic. It's always best to refer to the user manual for detailed instructions, but I'm going to walk you through it too. First, you'll want to give the sealant bottle a good shake before screwing the compressor hose onto it. Next, place the sealant bottle into the compressor housing, making sure to keep it upright. Ensure the compressor is switched off, then take the valve cap off the tyre and attach the sealant bottle's filling hose to the valve. Pop inside the car to put the power cord into the vehicle's power outlet, like this. Then, start the vehicle. Now it's time to switch the compressor on, but only for 5 to 7 minutes. Any more than that and it may overheat. And be sure to stay well clear from the tyre when it's being filled. Check the compressor's pressure gauge, and if the tyre hasn't reached 29 psi after 7 minutes, then the puncture is too large to seal. In this instance, give roadside assistance a ring. If the tyre is inflated to the correct pressure though, like this one, it's time to do everything in reverse. Switch off the vehicle, switch off the compressor, unplug the power outlet, detach the filling hose from the inflated tyre, put the valve cap back on, and detach the compressor's hose from the sealant bottle. You'll find a speed restriction label on the sealant bottle, which you'll want to take off and stick on your steering wheel as a reminder that you're not to drive over 80 kilometers an hour with the tyre in its state of temporary repair. Immediately dry for 10 minutes to allow the sealant in the tyre to distribute evenly, pull over somewhere safe again, and attach the compressor directly to the inflated tyre via the compressor hose. Check the pressure listed in the door frame of the car. If the pressure in the tyre is too high, use the button on the compressor to lower the pressure. If it's too low, put the power cord in the power outlet, turn on the car, then switch on the compressor in increments of 5 seconds until you reach the desired pressure. Once you're done, you're good to get to your nearest Hyundai dealer or tyre store, at a maximum of 80 kilometers an hour of course, to replace the tyre. Just remember that it's 1 bottle of sealant per tyre repair, and the bottles have an expiry date that you need to check. Need another bottle of sealant? Easy. Head to your nearest Hyundai dealer and they'll sort you out. So there you have it, a quick and simple way to sort your tyre out without having to jack your car up or haul a tyre out of the boot. Which means a puncture won't necessarily leave you feeling flat ever again.